Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you will be fine. In the first two lectures, I gave you introduction to semantics and I gave you some very important information about semantics, what semantics is, and how important it is in our everyday life, and how can it make our language very useful. So in today's lecture, I will teach you or I'll tell you about different types of meanings, which is related to semantics. As I've told you that semantics is a study of meanings. If you don't know about semantics, it will be difficult for us to understand different types of meaning. One word is not one word. It has many meanings, and which meaning is used with which word. This is something semantics tell us. So let's start the class. So here we go. Today is lecture number 3, and it's about types of meaning. So when we study semantics, so we find that a word has many things to do. Means when we search a word, so we find that there are many things which are related to a word. किसी भी word के साथ बहुत सारी चीज़ें associate होती हैं जिनको हमें देखना होता है. If you want to use that word or any word in a proper manner, so we have to consult a good dictionary for the meaning of that particular word. So first thing that we come across is its basic meaning. Basic meaning is also called literal meaning, जिसको हम कहते हैं बुनियादी जो उसका माना होता है. Local dictionaries will tell you basic meaning. It may give you some meanings like 4, 5, or 6 meanings, but it will not tell you maximum meanings. And then it will not tell you about examples. It will not tell you about other things which are very important to know. So the first thing that we come across is basic meaning of that particular word. That is also called dictionary meaning or literal meaning. And then we have to see its polysemy. Polysemy means multiple meanings. Means one word has many meanings. Now, which meaning has been used in the particular context? This is something that we have to see. For example, there is a word go. Now, word go has many meanings, more than 50 or 60 meanings. Now, which meaning has been used in what context is something that we will be able to know when we consult a good dictionary. A good dictionary means any advanced learner's dictionary, at least, for example, Oxford Advanced Learner, Cambridge Advanced Learner, Longman Dictionary, or Webster Dictionary. Even you can consult Collins Dictionary. So these are the dictionaries which are well known throughout the world, and you can use them online. It's not necessary to buy them from the market. खरीदने जाएंगे तो ये आपको बहुत महंगी पड़ेगी, तो खरीदने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. आप इसे किसी भी आप इसे ऑनलाइन यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑनलाइन इज़ बेटर देन ऑफलाइन डिक्शनरीज. So first thing is basic meaning, and then second is polysemy or multiple meanings. The third thing that we come across is synonymy. Synonymy means synonyms, similar meanings. So you will find there are many words which have similar meanings, which have same meanings, but again they cannot these similar meanings cannot be used in one time. For example, uh, there are words like happy. हैप्पी के अगर हम सिमिलर मीनिंग को या सेट देख लेते हैं, सेट की सिमिलर मीनिंग को हम लेंगे तो उसमें हमारे पास जो है अनहैप्पी का भी इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. और इसके अलावा इसके सिमिलर मीनिंग हमारे पास जो है और भी वर्ड्स हैं इनका इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. तो सिमिलर मीनिंग्स का हर किस मतलब नहीं है कि आप उसको किसी भी वर्ड के साथ इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यू हैव टू चेक इट्स कॉलोकेशन. आपने उस कॉलोकेशन को चेक करना होगा, देन यू हैव टू यूज इट. आगे ये सब इंशाल्लाह हम वन बाय वन से पढ़ेंगे. देन कॉलोकेशन. कॉलोकेशन, लेट मी correct its collocation. So collocation, as I told you in the previous classes as well, that collocation is a very important thing to study. और ये वो चीज़ है जिसको नॉर्मली बहुत से लोग जो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से वाकिफ है, they don't know about collocation. Why? Because they have not never studied collocation, and it is something that is not taught in language centers. So it is a thing that can be taught at a very advanced level, and normally students do not reach that level. They just quit their studies. They stop learning English. They feel that they have learned enough English, and that is sufficient. They just leave their studies, quit their studies. So collocation definitely a very important thing, and probably one of the most important thing that student must learn at this level. कॉलिगेशन है, ये आगे हम पढ़ेंगे, इस पर बाकायदा एक क्लास भी लूँगा, उस पर आपको बताऊँगा कि व्हाट कॉलिगेशन इज एंड हाउ वी शुड स्टडी कॉलिगेशन। देन कॉनोटेशन, फिर हमें उस जो वर्ड है उसकी कॉनोटेशन भी देखनी है। कॉनोटेशन मीन्स एसोसिएटेड मीनिंग, वो मीनिंग जो कनेक्टेड है। एक तो उसकी डिक्शनरी मीनिंग होती है, और दूसरी मीनिंग जो है वो कनेक्टेड मीनिंग मीनिंग और एसोसिएटेड मीनिंग होती है, और कल्चरल एसोसिएशन होता है। इसमें भी बाकायदा आपको आगे डिटेल्स बताऊंगा, बट हियर जस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू सिंपली दैट वी हैव टू चेक द कॉनोटेशन ऑफ एनी वर्ड beside call dictionary meaning or derivative meaning. We have to check its quantitative meaning as well. Then register means the technical use of any word. So there are many words which are technically used in certain domains. Just I'm giving you an example. Delete. Delete is a word that is used in computer terminology. It is not used in ordinary life. So this is called register. So these are different types of meaning which we have to study, which I will teach you. I'll tell you about them one by one. So first is basic meaning. So you can see over here, when we look up a word, the main thing that comes to our mind that we want to know is its basic meaning. पहली चीज जो हम जानना चाहेंगे वो क्या कहलाएगी, इसकी बेसिक मीनिंग। इसकी बेसिक मीनिंग हमें जानना होगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन शी हैज फेयर हेयर, the word fair means light, opposite of dark, or in it's time to wind up the discussion. Now the words wind up means end. Now you can see over here she has fair here. The word fair means light, opposite of dark, or in it's time to wind up the discussion. Now the words wind up means end. Sorry. He loves driving fast. Here it means able to move quickly. He loves driving fast means able to move quickly. We can guarantee a fast response time. Fast response time here. Fast means happening in a short time. In the first sentence, previous sentence, he loves driving fast. Fast is used as an adverb. Next sentence, it is used as an adjective. Fast response time. Both his parents work. Here, work is used as a verb, means do job. And the kids always work hard at school. Both his parents work, do job. The kids always work hard at school. Here its meaning is mental or physical efforts. Here work means mental or physical efforts. So I mean to say that one word has more than one meanings, and normally we go for basic meaning, but of course according to the situation, according to the context, we have to see its meaning. और इसके लिए हमें किसी एडवांस लर्नर डिक्शनरी का जो है चूज करना होगा, ताकि हमें मैक्सिमम मीनिंग्स वहाँ मिले और हम अपने जो इंटेंडेड मीनिंग्स है वो हासिल कर सकें। Okay, then we have polysemy or multiple meanings. Now, sorry, a large number of words in English have more than one meaning. As I've told you, मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ कि अंग्रेजी में बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जिनके मोर देन वन मीनिंग। मैं आपको अभी एक एग्जांपल भी दिखाऊंगा। लेट मी शो यू द एग्जांपल राइट नाउ। ये मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दिखाने लगा हूँ। So this is the example of This is the example. You can see over here. This is the example. You can see over here. A word go. There is a word go. I have typed. This is an online dictionary. So you can see here how many meanings of this word. How many meanings does this word have? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can see all these are going down. तो ये 38 meanings है इसके simple 38 इसके simple meanings हैं and then idioms में इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 so ये around 20, 15 or 18 verses की meanings idioms में which are making the total to 58. Then you have phrasal verbs, a large number of phrasal verbs. So इन सबको जब आप count करेंगे तो ये 70 से 80 it will be 70 to 80. The total number of meaning will be 70 to 80. This one word go has 70 to 80 meanings, including simple meanings, idiomatic meanings, and phrasal verbs meanings. Is this clear? So this is what I wanted to tell you that one word has more than one meaning, and this is what we call polysemy. Polysemy. For example, now there are some other examples that wasn't a very fair thing to say. So you can see adjective just. A good-looking businessman fell in love with a fair woman, working woman. So here you can see fair means beautiful. In the first sentence, fair means just. His knowledge of English is fair. Here, fair means neither very bad nor very good. Neither very bad nor very good. This is the meaning of fair here. Then you can see examples of fast. She loves driving fast cars. Here, fast means able to move quickly. Technology was expanding at a fast pace. Here, it means in a short time. Are you a fast reader with the ability to retain the key points? Here, fast means able to do something quickly. And the last one is that clocks 10 minutes fast. That clocks 10 minutes fast. Here it means showing a time later than the true time. So there is one word fast and it has four meanings. Means one word fast has here four meanings and four different usage as well. Sometimes it is used as a verb, sometimes it is used as a subject, sometimes it is used as an adverb. So fast can also be used as a noun as well. So multiple meanings of polysemy means a word has more than one meanings. And then we have synonymy. Synonymy means there are many words in English with similar but slightly different meanings. There are many words in English with similar but slightly different meanings. For example, illegal and unlawful are synonyms. Fair equal to light, blonde, pale, colorless, bleached. Wind up is equal to, or it means end, finish, complete, close, stop. Conclude, terminate, discontinue, abort, or abort. Smart means clever, bright, intelligent, quick. Comfortable means pleasant, homely, easy, relaxing. Now you can see over here one word has different meanings, and one has similar meanings. Means wind up means end, finish means they all are similar in meanings, but you cannot use them in one place. For example, you can't say I have ended my work, or I have finished my work, or I have closed my work, I have stopped my work, or I have terminated my work. Terminate cannot be used with verb. It doesn't collocate. Complete can be used with verb. Finish can also be used with verb, but you can't use close with verb. You can use stop with verb, but it may have